So let us take some problems on transient current in the today's class. So first problem, so read the problem. A series RC circuit containing resistance R is equal to 10 mega ohm and C is equal to 10 microfarad is connected to a DC voltage source of 10 volt. Okay, so this is the situation. We have the series RC circuit containing R is equal to 10 mega ohm. Okay.
Recording in progress.
And C is equal to 10 microfarad is connected to DC voltage of 10 volt. Okay, what are the things you have to determine? You have to determine time constant of the circuit. That is the first question. Second is voltage across the capacitor at 100 second. You have to find voltage across the capacitor at 100 second. Then current through the circuit at a 200 second after switching the source on. Okay, so you have to find voltage at 100 second and current through the circuit at 200 second after switching the source on. Three things you have to calculate. So here battery is connected, 10 volt battery is connected. Because of that, definitely it is a charging of capacitor. So when battery is connected to series RC circuit, then capacitor charges. Okay, so here we have to assume that capacitor is initially with zero charge, and when a battery is switched on, the capacitor charges. Okay, so what are the given quantities you write? Okay, so given quantities, R is given, that is 10 mega ohm. Mega means it is 10 to the power plus 6. Mega means 10 to the power plus 6. So 10 into 10 to the power 6 ohm, that is 10 mega ohm. Then capacitance of the capacitor C is given, that is 10 microfarad. Okay, micro means 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 microfarad is written 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Okay, so you have to convert the given quantities in SI unit. So ohm is the SI unit of resistance, farad is the SI unit of capacitance. Then voltage of the battery V is given, that is 10 volt. So three things they have given. What are the things you have to calculate? First, you have to calculate time constant of the circuit. So what is the time constant of the circuit in case of RC circuit? Anyone? What is the time constant in RC circuit? You can unmute and you can give the answer. So time constant of the circuit T is equal to R into C. That is the value of time constant. Okay. So in series RC circuit, time constant is R into C. R is given, C is given, you substitute and calculate. Okay. So value of R is 10 into 10 to the power 6. Value of C is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6. So what will be the answer? So therefore, what is the time constant of the circuit? If you calculate this particular product, what is the answer for that? And here you note that there is a 10 to the power plus 6 and 10 to the power minus 6 are there. They get cancelled with each other. Okay. So what is the final answer? What is the time constant?
100.
Yes, it is 100 second. Okay. So you have to give the answer with unit. Okay. Time constant of the circuit is measured in seconds. Okay. Numerically, it is equal to R into C. So definitely you will get 10 into 10, that is 100 seconds. So time constant of the circuit is going to be 100 seconds. Okay. So first question is over. Then you have to find the voltage across the capacitor at 100 seconds. Okay. So you know that time constant of the circuit is also 100 seconds. At 100 seconds, what will be the voltage? So by how much amount voltage increases? So it is a charging of capacitor. Therefore, voltage and charge, they will increase, okay, during charging process. So by how much amount the voltage increases? So after t equal to 100 seconds, you have to find the voltage. Since the time constant of the circuit is also 100 seconds, therefore the voltage across the capacitor becomes 0.63 times the voltage of the battery after 100 seconds. So at the time equal to time constant, what happens? Voltage and charge, they will become equal to 0.63 times of the maximum charge or maximum voltage. What is the maximum voltage here? That is exactly equal to battery voltage. Okay. So therefore, at 100 seconds, that is equal to time constant. At 100 seconds, what will happen? The voltage will be equal to 0.63 times of the voltage of battery. Okay. Simply, you can directly calculate the voltage after 100 seconds by taking 0.63 times of the voltage of the battery. What is the voltage of the battery? They have given voltage of the battery equal to 10 volt. Okay. Battery voltage is 10 volt. Therefore, you can find out at t equal to 100 seconds, voltage across the capacitor will be equal to 0.63 times the battery voltage. Battery voltage is 10 volt. So what is the answer for this voltage at t equal to 100 seconds?
6.3.
Yes. So 6 point. Yes, good. So 6.3 volt. That is the voltage across the capacitor. Okay. So 6.3 volt. Okay. So that is the voltage across the capacitor after 100 seconds, right? So this is directly calculated by knowing the concept of time constant. So at the time constant, the voltage and charge will become equal to 0.63 times of the maximum voltage or maximum charge. That is how you can calculate the voltage directly, okay, without doing any lengthy calculation. Simply by taking 0.63 times of the battery voltage, you will get the voltage across the capacitor at the time constant value. Okay. Then third question, you have to find the current through the circuit after 200 seconds. Okay. So after t equal to 200 seconds, what is the current through the circuit? You have to find. Remember, during the growth of current, growth of charging of capacitor, the current is going to decrease. Remember, voltage and charge, they will increase, whereas current is going to decrease. And expression for current will be I is equal to I naught into e to the power minus t by RC. So what is the expression for I naught? Okay, where I naught is V by R, battery voltage by resistance, is called as peak current or maximum current. So here we have got the expression I is equal to I naught into e to the power minus t by RC, and I naught is V by R, which is called as peak current. First you calculate this peak current, then substitute here, and finally find the current at t is equal to 200 seconds. Now find the peak current. What is the value of peak current then? I naught will be equal to V by R, that is 10 by 10 into 10 to the power 6. Okay. If you calculate this value, this 10 gets cancelled. This 10 to the power plus 6, if you take it to the numerator, it will become 10 to the power minus 6. 10 to the power minus 6 means it is micro. Okay. Therefore, answer will be 1 microampere. The peak current in the circuit is 1 microampere. Micro is nothing but 10 to the power minus 6. Here 10 to the power plus 6 is in the denominator. If you take it to the numerator, you will get 10 to the power minus 6. Minus 10 to the power minus 6 means micro. Okay. So therefore, peak current I naught is 1 microampere, or it is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. Now you calculate the current I. At t equal to 200 second, I will be equal to I naught into e to the power minus t by RC. So I naught is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 ampere into e to the power t is 200 second divided by RC. Already we have calculated time constant RC, that is 100 second. So it is minus 200 by 100, e to the power minus 200 by 100. So what is e to the power minus 200 by 100? It is e to the power minus 2 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay. So try to calculate the value by using the calculator and put that in the chat box. Put the answer in the chat box. So all of you try it and put the answer in the chat box. If you calculate, you will definitely get 0.135 into 10 to the power minus 6. E to the power minus 2 is 0.135. I can express this in terms of microampere. So you can write it as 0.135 microampere. That is the answer for the current at t equal to 200 second. Okay. So most of you have given the correct answer. So very few have given a little bit different answer. Okay, no problem. So this is how the question may be asked. So you should know what is the expression for voltage, current, and charge in case of series RC circuit. And you should know what is the expression for growing current and decay of current in series RL circuit. Okay. Okay, let us take the next problem. This is first problem we have completed. Next problem we'll take. Right. So let us take this problem second. The series RC circuit containing a resistance of 1 mega ohm is connected to a battery of potential 5 volt. Okay. So we have a series RC circuit containing a resistance of 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm resistance is connected to a battery of potential 5 volt. Calculate the capacitance of capacitor if time constant of the circuit is 100 second. You have to find capacitance of the capacitor. Value of C you have to calculate. If time constant of the circuit is 100 second, 100 second time constant is already given. Also calculate the charge on capacitor and voltage across the capacitor at a t equal to 50 second during charging of the capacitor. So they have given the concept of charging. Capacitor is going to charge because of the battery of 5 volt. So this circuit is series RC circuit and the charging case. Okay, you have to use the formula related to charging of capacitor. So first they have given R value. Okay, what are the given values you write? So R value is given, resistance of the resistor is given, that is 1 mega ohm. 1 mega ohm means it is 10 to the power plus 6 ohm. Voltage of the battery V is given, that is 5 volt. Voltage of the battery V is given, that is 5 volt. And the time constant of the circuit tau is given, that is 100 second. Time constant of the circuit is given. And they have asked to find out the capacitance of the capacitor. Okay, so simply you can use the formula of time constant to find the capacitance of the capacitor. So what is the expression for time constant? It is T is equal to RC. T is given, R is given, C you have to calculate. That is first question. Then also you have to calculate the charge on the capacitor and voltage across the capacitor at T is equal to 50 second. Okay. voltage and charge you have to calculate during charging of the capacitor. So you know that during charging, both charge and voltage are going to increase with respect to the capacitor. You have to use the appropriate equations. Okay. So let us see, let us solve this problem. So we have time constant of the circuit, tau is equal to R into C. Okay, tau is equal to R into C. You have to find C value. Tau is given, R is given. Therefore, C will be equal to tau by R. Okay, so can you calculate? So tau is 100 second, R is 1 into 10 to the power 6. So what is the value? 10 to the power plus 6 in the denominator. If you take it to the numerator, it will become 10 to the power minus 6. So it will be 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. 10 to the power minus 6 is nothing but micro. So therefore, C value will be equal to 100 microfarad. Okay. So capacitance of the capacitor is observed to be 100 microfarad. Time constant of the circuit is 100 second. R is 1 mega ohm. C should be 100 microfarad. So first is completed. Then you calculate the charge and voltage. What is the formula for charge? So look at the list of formulae with you. What is the expression for charge? Anyone? So it will be, now charge on the capacitor during charging is given by Q is equal to Q naught into 1 minus e to the power minus T by RC. Okay. Q equal to Q naught into 1 minus e to the power minus T by RC. We have to find the charge on the capacitor at T is equal to 50 second. Okay. At T is equal to 50 second, you have to find Q value. And Q naught value you have to calculate. So how to find the Q naught value? Q naught is the maximum charge that is actually equal to C into V naught, where V naught is the maximum voltage. Maximum voltage is equal to battery voltage. What is the battery voltage they have given? They have given battery voltage V is equal to 5 volt. Battery voltage V is 5 volt. So C into V you have to calculate. That will give you maximum charge Q naught. So what will be the value of Q naught then? If you calculate that Q naught value, so here Q naught is the maximum charge stored in the capacitor, and Q naught is given by V into C. What is the value of V? It is 5 volt. What is the value of C? It is 100 microfarad. Okay, just to substitute, you will get 5 into 100 microfarad. So value of Q naught is 500 microcoulomb. Okay, or 500 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Q naught we have obtained. Now you calculate Q value at T is equal to 50 second. Okay. So therefore, at T is equal to 50 second, Q will be equal to Q naught, that is 500 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 minus e to the power minus 50 by 100. Okay. So e to the power minus 50 by 100 is e to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay. In the next step, I can write this 50 by 100 as 0.5. So you'll get the value 500 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 minus e to the power minus 0.5. So this is the next step. So step by step you have to do it. Okay. So after that, you take e to the power minus 0.5. What is the value of e to the power minus 0.5? You can calculate. Okay. Then you take 1 minus e to the power minus 0.5. Then you multiply it with 500 into 10 to the power minus 6. You will get the value of Q. Let us see the answer. So what is the value of this e to the power minus 0.5? That is somewhat 0.61 something. Okay. Then if you calculate 1 minus that value, that will give you 0.393 into 500 into 10 to the power minus 6. If you multiply this 0.393 with 500, you will get 196.5 microcoulomb. 10 to the power minus 6 is kept as it is. You will get the answer 196.5 microcoulomb. So most of you have given the correct answer. Some of you have got 196.7. Okay, that is also approximately correct answer. No problem. That is well and good. No problem. So that is 196.5 microcoulomb. That is the value of charge on the capacitor at t is equal to 50 seconds. Similarly, you have to find out the voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 50 seconds. Okay, let us take that particular part. And voltage across the capacitor at t is equal to 50 seconds. What is the formula? That is V is equal to V naught into 1 minus e to the power minus t by RC. I have taken V subscript C to indicate that VC is voltage across the capacitor C. What is V naught? V naught is the battery voltage. Okay, V naught is the battery potential that is given as 5 volt. Then T is 50 seconds. What is the value of RC? It is 100 seconds. Now you can calculate. Okay, substitute. V naught is 5 and into 1 minus e to the power minus 50 by 100. Already we have calculated in the previous step. We know that 1 minus e to the power minus 50 by 100 is 0.393. Okay, that is already known to us. Then multiply it with 5. What will be the answer? It is simply 1.965 volts. That is the voltage across the capacitor at 50 seconds. Okay, so at 50 seconds, the voltage across the capacitor is 1.965 volts, right? Okay, so simply you can do it by knowing the particular expression. That is the reason why I have told you to make the list of formulae corresponding to this topic. Pratyondu topic mugid takshana, you have to make the list of equations that will be helpful for understanding the concepts and also for solving the problem.